YouTube. All right, y'all. I got a Euro USD here. Doing a top-down analysis, starting on the monthly time frame. Let's go. All right. So same thing. Not much has changed as far as the monthly time frame. Point of reference here. This is a low that we marked off because we want to figure out where we are currently in the market, right? So currently, we have this low that was broken by 1, 2, 3, maybe even 4 candles right here, right? How do we get here? So price broke this level of support, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, and you should see lower highs and lower lows on the lower time frames to confirm that break, right? So so lower highs and lows, low high, low low, low high, low low, low high, low low. That's what you want to see. All right, so price broke support right here, came down to test the level of support all the way from 02. So 2002 is the last time price hit this level right here on the monthly time frame, right? 2002. Okay, so then price bounced off this level of support, came back up, and now it looks like it's trying to test some newfound resistance, but we just kind of gotta wait. On the next time frame, you can kind of see price is it's making some type of candlestick formation pattern. I don't know the official name for it. I think it's like a megaphone, some type of triangle, something like that. But they're normally bearish. All right, so monthly time frame bearish. We can anticipate price to test some type of newfound resistance. It's bearish until it's bullish, right? So this is bearish until price decides to come all the way up here and break this high right here, based off the monthly. All right, let's go to the weekly. Weekly time frame is bullish. Obviously, so how do we get here? Right, so this was the last lower high that was broken. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles right there. And you should see higher highs and higher lows on the lower time frames to confirm this break. I keep saying that because it's so important that you confirm these candlesticks. You know, sometimes you can get a wicked out candle on a higher time frame, and you know there's no. It has to be congruent, right? So when you see this, the lower time frames have to be congruent with the higher time frames. It has to be some type of ripple effect leading up to all the way up to the monthly time frame, right? But yeah, so price broke this level of resistance, came up here, testing another level of resistance, and now it's starting to make some type of pattern, whatever. Right? I don't know what it's called. I call it a megaphone pattern. Maybe that's not the right terminology for it, but that's what I call it. I'm gonna redraw this trend line because I think it's a little off. All right, and me redrawing it is starting to look more like a channel now. Now this test right here, this candle test, this next candle, making like a tweezer bottom. I'll redraw this trend line to complement that, because I can tell that this trend line was drew on the lower time frame. So higher time frame is king. Let's see. But yeah, so it's still bullish on the weekly. Now we're kind of just waiting for price to do whatever it's going to do. The only thing that would make it bearish is if price broke this level of support, you know, and came down here. But yeah, for the weekly, it's still bullish. All right, so let's go to the daily time frame. All right, daily time frame is currently bearish because this reversal happened up here and price kind of just shot down. Like price tanked down right here. So we can mark off this level of support right here and then identify the candles that broke it. So 1, 2, 3. If you want to be conservative, you can do 4. And you should see lower highs and lower lows on the lower time frame to confirm this break. Then after that, it just, just went straight down. That's it for the daily. As you know, the H4 more than likely is going to be bearish as well, just because of how this just shot down like this. Little to no pullbacks at all, right? So let's go to the H4. Yep, H4 is creating lower highs and lower lows. Very bearish at this point. Yep, very, very bearish at this point. It's really no ifs, ands, or buts about it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for EU. As far as top-down analysis and directional bias. Now, I'm anticipating EU to test this area. Look at that wick. It's a lot of sellers exhaustion. To test this area and to create some type of reversal pattern. It could be a triple bottom, inverted head and shoulders, something to take the market back up into the higher time frame channel, right? That's what we're looking for. So that's it for EU. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna do GJ next. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next video.